Ni hao ma. Hey guys, it's your boy Lemon Connor here live once again. Welcome to another video of mine. That may have been a little offensive. I do apologize, but I'm pretty sure that wasn't the language I was speaking. This seems to be Japanese. I do apologize. Oh gosh. Anyways, welcome to another video of mine. We're here live once again. We have another keycap reveal. And not only that, can we just admire this packaging? Look at this. Wrapped up in a nice paper mache thing. I can't tell what this image is yet. However, this person and this vendor had the audacity to say thank you and put a nice candle wax stamp like we're back in the 1950s. I love that. I hella love it because I have one too in my excuse me. I have one as well with my alphabetical letters. And not only that, they wrap it so nicely with a little knot with a red ribbon. I know in some cultures, a red ribbon means good luck. And look how easy that is to pull. Wow. To be honest with you, I have no idea what is inside here. So let's just open it and see what we have. So if we were to pop this open, I don't think you need a knife. Is it very well? Oh gosh, I don't want to ruin it. I have to ruin it. Oh gosh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I might keep this, you know. This is quite nice. But let's see what we have in here and what we have in store. Wow. Wow. Okay. Oh! No way. So these are my Japanese vendor. And I have some more fish to blend in, and this is who is this man? This is a picture of him. I'm not too sure, but let's look at the packaging, man. The packaging is on a whole nother level. Even though he's just folding paper, it's impressive. It's sleek, and the print job is a man's face or part of his face. Interesting. Anyways, let's just head back to the real thing here. I'm admiring the packaging way too much. So yes, this is a unique keycap because it's not as the same as the other koi fish. This is a unique fish that I wanted. And if you were to zoom in here, you can see the sort of quality I'm getting. It's so different. That's why I wanted it in the first place. Oh gosh. Not only it feels different, there's actually a layer of texture. So it's not as completely smooth as the others, which I really love. That extra wavy ripple water of a detail makes it feel unique and possibly easier to type. And this is what profile is this? This seems to be another R for a profile, unfortunately, but I cannot hate because the beauty is on the top, and that's what that matters. You can tell there's two fishies swimming in there, and it's interesting. It's just a paper thin model as opposed to a toy model in these type of things. Not only that, you see sand grains in the keycap itself. So unique and so wonderful, and I really hope it shines through the light as well. It will indeed. Anyways, thank you so much. This did take some time to get through, but I'm so glad that I was patient and I wanted it so bad for it to come through. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well.
Do you know the way?
From an empty sea.
What does it even mean anymore?